Meditate to feel great. Hello world, this is Wendy Treynor, and today our inspirational quote is, if you want to experience birdsong, open the window. There are many wonderful, good things in life that we will not experience unless we open our minds like a window. So let us open the window and hear the birdsong. This is Wendy Treynor, signing off, but signing in to your heart. And if you like today's quote, you'll love my upcoming book called The Gift of Cancer, Turn Your Tragedy into a Treasure. You can find out more at icanheal.com. I look forward to hearing from you.